Hello everyone, this is class 6 maths and today we will start with a new exercise that is 17a and the chapter name is idea of speed, distance and time. The introduction of this chapter we have already done in previous video. If you want to watch then you can subscribe the channel, you will get the video. Right beta? So today we will start with exercise 17a. Question number 1 is a train covers 51 km in 3 hours. Calculate its speed. Firstly we will do up to here, then we will read next statement. So what is given? It is distance covered, or you can simply write distance. Distance is equal to 51 km and time taken, how much time is taking? Train is taking 3 hours, so time is equal to 3 hours and the speed. The formula must be in your mind beta. Speed is equal to distance over time. Now put the values. What is distance? Distance is 51 km. So I have written 51 km over 3 hours. I have already put the values. And 3 ones are 3, 17 threes are 51. So answer is 17 km per hour. Either beta units are must in these questions. If you will not write the units, then teacher will deduct the marks. So here you can write it like this, or kilometer will be as it is, and you can write it by putting slash, or you can write it h raised power minus 1. All three methods are right. You can adopt any one, but units must be with the answer. So speed is 17 km per hour. Means the object which you are using, means the train, it is covering 17 km in 1 hour. Right? So the next part of this question is, how far does the train go in 30 minutes? How far, like कितना distance वो cover करेगी in 30 minutes. So how we will do it? We know speed is this and time. Time what is given? 30 minutes. Right? And yesterday I told you beta, whenever we deal with these kind of questions, we need to take care of units. Units must be same. Here time is given in hours, but here time is given in minutes. So we will change the units. Either you can change hours into minutes, or you can change minutes into hours. Right? So I think in 30 minutes will be easy to convert in hours. 30 minutes means half hour. Those who don't know how it comes, they can contact me. 30 minutes means half hour. And formula is with us. Speed is equal to distance over time. From here we have to find the distance, so we will take time toward other side. It becomes speed into time is equal to distance. Speed is 17 km into time. Time is half hour. R will be cancelled with R is equal to distance. And here what is 17 ones are 17 over 2 kilometer. You can divide it now. It becomes 8 2s are 16. 1 will be left. We will take 0, 10.5. After division you will get the answer 8.5 kilometer. Right? Okay, the next question is, he said a motorist traveled the distance between two towns, which is 65 km. A motorist, here we have two places A and B. The distance between two places is 65 km. He said the person which is on bike, he is taking time to complete this distance. Time is equal to 2 hours 10 minutes. So here this is distance and this is your time, 2 hours 10 minutes. What we have to find? He said find his speed. We have to find speed, but in meter per minute. We have to find speed in we have to find in which units? It is meter per minute. We have to take care of units, beta. You can check in the statement that time is given in hours and minutes. So firstly we have to change time. We have to convert time in minutes because answer must be in minutes. So we will change hours into minutes. So time will be, here you can write beta, whatever is given you can write here. This is given na. So we will convert whole time in minutes. We know 1 hour is equals to how many minutes? 60 minutes, right? And 2 hours will contain how many minutes? 2 into 60, it becomes 120 minutes. And he has given we have converted 2 hours into minutes, it becomes 120 plus this 10 minutes. So the total time is 130 minutes. Now distance is already in kilometers, but we have to change the distance into meters. So we know beta 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So we will multiply the number 65 with 1000. So it becomes 65,000 meter. Now it's very easy. Speed is equal to distance over time. Put the values. Distance is equal to 65,000 meter and time is equals to 130 minute. 0 will be cancelled with 0. 13 ones are 13, 13 fives are 65. So it becomes 5 and 2 zeros will come with it. It becomes 500 meter per minute. You can write it 500 meter per minute. That is the required answer. And the question number 3, we will do 3 sums today, beta. And very interesting thing I am going to tell you in this question. He said a train travels 700 meters in 35 seconds. So firstly we will write the things which are given. Okay, so these things are given to us and we have to find, beta, take care of this sum, beta. Speed, we have to find speed in kilometer per hour. And distance and time is given in meter per second. Right? So whenever, beta, I am going to tell you a shortcut. If you want to know about the detail, then I will also tell you. You can contact me. Otherwise, I am going to tell you a shortcut. You just need to remember only 2 numbers. If we have to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, as we have to do in this sum, meter per second. Like here, when we will find the speed, it will becomes in meter per second, na? So when we have to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, we will multiply the number, whatever will be the number. For now, I will do the sum side by side also, so that you can, for the better understanding, you can understand better. And speed will be distance over time, na? So it becomes 700 meter over 35 seconds. So it becomes meter per second now. 35s are 30. 35s are 35. 35 2s are 70. It becomes 20 meter per second. When we have to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, we will multiply the given speed with 18 over 5. Just simply multiply with this number. Okay. So 5 ones are 5. 5 fours are 20. It becomes 18 fours are 72 kilometer per hour. The answer will be this. It will be automatically converted into kilometer per hour. When we have to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, we will multiply with 18 over 5 and in case when we have to find convert किलोमीटर पर आवर टू मीटर पर सेकेंड, ये उल्टा हो गया ना इसका, अब मीटर पर सेकेंड टू किलोमीटर पर आवर, अब उल्टा हो गया, किलोमीटर को मीटर में करना है, राइट. सो वी विल डू रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दीज नंबर्स and we will multiply the number whatever will be the speed with 5/18. This is the shortcut method. It will not use only in maths but also in physics. That's why I am telling you, rather than to do a big calculation, we will just remember these numbers and you can easily do this. This is the shortcut trick of this sum, right? So how I have remembered that, how which देखो 18/5 is, it's easy to remember, but if we have to change meter per second to kilometer per hour, when we have to multiply with 18/5, or when we have to multiply with 5/18, I have remembered it. When we have to convert, here we have two numbers now, two numbers now, k and m. When we have to multiply into two numbers, we will keep two numbers in the numerator, and when we have to convert into single alphabet meter, so we will keep single number in the numerator. In this way I have remembered it. So it's very easy, right? So I have done the sum. This is the required answer of this question. So next sums we will do in next video beta. If you have any query, you can contact me. Thank you.